Hi, my name's Emma. I'm the creator of the Bulk Image Uploader, and today I'm going to show you just how much quicker it is to upload 100 images using the Bulk Image Uploader tool than it is to upload them manually into Google Sheets. So these are the images I'm going to be uploading today. Here we go. I've already opened the file. So we click here to add pictures and we wait for the user interface to open. I'm going to click here to select the folder that I'm going to use, and thankfully we're already in that folder. So click OK. I'm going to go to images, and the images are sequentially labelled from 1 to 100. So I'm going to put a star in place of where the number would be going and also the extension of the file, and I'm going to upload 100 images and press insert images, and then it will insert them into the cells. I'm going to save the file. I'm then going to come into my Google Drive and I'm going to upload the file that I've just used into the Google Drive. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to transfer this then to the sheet that I want it to go into, which is going to be this one up here. So you can see all of the images have actually uploaded themselves into the cells. I'm going to right click, copy to existing spreadsheet. I'm going to copy the URL up here because this is the one I want to copy it into. Press return. Just copying the sheet. It's uploaded. I'm going to select all of the images, copy them, and then I'm going to paste them in there. And there we go. Once they've loaded, we will have all 100 images in that sheet, and that is time.